Hey, everyone. Welcome back to AI Power Tutor, your go-to channel for exploring online opportunities with the help of tech and AI. Today, we're diving into something exciting: how you can make your first $100 online using some easy, free websites. These aren't just any websites. They were recommended by one of the big names on YouTube, Dave Nick. So I decided to try them out for you and see how they work. First up is Caden. Now, this app allows you to earn money simply by sharing data from your phone or other devices. It's available on the App Store, and the best part is that your data remains anonymous. What they track are activities within apps, like searches on Walmart, but never personal information. I tried installing this app, and once set up, it works passively in the background. You don't have to actively do anything after the initial setup. So, if you're okay with sharing some anonymous data, this could be an easy way to start earning. I'll keep you updated on how much I make in the long run. Next up is Skool, a platform for building and selling online communities. If you have some expertise or even just a passion, you can create a community, help people solve problems, and monetize it. What's really cool is that some people on Skool are making up to $100,000 a month. I'm still working on building a community to see how it performs. If you've got a niche, maybe you could try something like AI learning groups, or even a forum around something you love. I'm also joining communities myself and seeing what value I can bring to mine. Do you walk a lot? WeWard rewards you for it. Literally, you get points for every step you take, and you can convert those points into cash or donate them to charity. I've been using it for a few days, and although the earnings aren't huge, it's a great way to make some passive income while staying healthy. For me, every step adds up. If you're already walking, why not get paid for it? Now, this one is really close to home YouTube, but with a twist: Faceless YouTube Automation. You don't need to show your face or even record videos. You can automate the process, use tools, and still build a successful channel. Dave Nick has a free guide to get started, but I've got my own spin on this for AI Power Tutor. I use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate scripts and DAL*E for graphics. You can automate a lot of the work while focusing on optimizing your content. So far, this method is yielding great results, and it's scalable. Ever thought of selling a course or digital product? Teachable lets you do just that. I tested this by setting up a small course on AI for beginners and launched it using my existing YouTube audience. The platform is easy to use. You can upload your course materials, create quizzes, and market it from within the platform. Here's another passive income idea: Honeygain. This app pays you for your unused internet bandwidth. You just install it, and it runs in the background while sharing your bandwidth with Honeygain's network. It's not going to make you rich overnight, but it's easy money, especially if you have Wi-Fi running 24/7. I've already earned a few bucks just letting it run while working on my other projects. If you like writing, Listverse pays you $100 for writing interesting, bizarre, or unusual listicles. Articles have to be around 1,500 to 2,000 words. I tried submitting an article on top AI tools to boost your productivity, and although the approval process took a while, it's worth a try if you enjoy writing and want a creative outlet that pays.